We have three main forms of numbers we see within mathematics. A whole number. This is any whole type of number, 1, 2, 10, 20, and so on. We also have another type of number. This number is your numbers with following integers behind a point. This is in the form of showing numbers that are in between two whole numbers, as in between 0 and 1 you have 0.5. A fraction, on the other hand, is the same prospect as a decimal but represented in a fractional form, where you have an appearance as such. This decimal can be represented as a fraction, which is the exact same fraction. This 1/2 meaning a half or 50% of a whole number. A fraction has two parts to it, a numerator or the top number and a denominator or the bottom number. These are what make a fraction as a whole. You can look at them in such way. Numerator is top, denominator is bottom. Now, how they relate to a decimal number is a tiny bit more complex. It's more like asking how many 2's fit into 1. I mean, none, right? And yeah, none do. But there is parts of 2 that fit into 1 as a whole number. For example, 2/1 equals 2 because 2 whole number 1's fit into 2. This is the same as 2 divide 1. But what does 1 divide 2? 0.5, right? But why? Well, exactly 50% of 2 fits into 1, and 50% of 2 is 1. So this is why the fraction 1/2 represents 0.5 or 50%.